AI-generated music has indeed made significant strides, and there have been instances where songs created by AI have become popular hits. These AI-generated songs often showcase the potential of artificial intelligence in the creative arts. Here's a brief exploration of how AI is being used to create music and some notable examples. 1. Composition and production. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of musical data, learning from various genres, styles, and artists. By understanding patterns and structures, AI can compose original music, generate melodies, harmonies, and even write lyrics. This has led to the creation of entirely new songs that resonate with listeners. 2. Collaboration with artists. Many artists are now collaborating with AI to create innovative music. AI can assist in the songwriting process, provide inspiration, and help artists explore new creative directions. These collaborations often result in unique and captivating music that blends human creativity with AI's analytical capabilities. 3. Notable examples. One famous example is the AI-generated song Daddy's Car, created by Sony's Flow Machines. The song was composed by an AI system trained on a dataset of popular songs and produced with minimal human intervention. Another example is Break Free, a collaboration between singer Taryn Southern and AI composer Ampere, which gained widespread attention and acclaim. 4. Impact on the music industry. AI-generated music is opening new avenues for creativity and innovation in the music industry. It allows for the exploration of novel sounds and styles, pushing the boundaries of traditional music composition. Additionally, AI can assist in producing music more efficiently, making it accessible to a broader range of artists. 5. Ethical and artistic considerations. The rise of AI-generated music also raises questions about originality, authorship, and the role of human creativity. While AI can produce remarkable music, it is essential to consider the ethical implications and ensure that human artists remain at the forefront of the creative process. In conclusion, AI-generated music is making waves in the industry, with some songs achieving notable success and popularity. The collaboration between AI and human artists has the potential to create extraordinary music, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of art and entertainment. What are your thoughts on AI-generated music? Do you see it as a complement to human creativity or a challenge to traditional music composition?